Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add cinematic text to your video on the Filmmaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, if you want to start a new project, click to the new project button at the upper side of the screen. But if you want to find your old project, click to the project section. And new, go to the letter icon at the right side of the screen and go to the last option, the cinematic. And here you can find different cinematic options and you can add your text. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the right side of the screen. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.